let's sound off on noise control in dryers for this video.
This video is sponsored by Mark 7, shaping the future of all things car wash. Visit mark7.net for more information.
Even for long-standing businesses, local ordinances can immediately impose restrictions and even hours of operation as a result of operational noise concerns and complaints. Regarding your employees, OSHA regulations permit only noise exposure levels up to 85 decibels for an 8-hour workday. Businesses that surpass those noise levels are subject to fines. Fortunately, equipment manufacturers have taken steps to minimize dryer noise with sound suppression features and packages. Advanced dryers today can effectively dry car windows and body surfaces in excess of 140 cars per hour, while saving money on labor and utilities, since these modern machines typically require less horsepower. Leading dryers can also be teamed with a simple, self-contained photo eye and control circuit solution, for example, that can profile a vehicle and provide maximum pressure where needed. Features such as sound suppression inlet covers for noise as well as VFDs also bring energy efficiency up a notch. In addition to employing newer, advanced dryer equipment that emphasizes noise and energy reduction, car washes should also emphasize building designs and features that limit or contain equipment noise. Additionally, and this is especially important in residential areas, solid fencing and landscaping can help reflect or absorb sound associated with car wash equipment, like dryers. While leading sound suppression packages can lower dryer noise by an average of 10 decibels, manufacturers warn that air streams, which contribute to noise, can vary from car wash to car wash and even from day to day at the same car wash. Again, adding sound barriers around the wash is a good idea, so look at the whole picture, beyond dryers, when it comes to minimizing noise at your site. For instance, installing high-quality, modern car wash doors is a great way to limit noise. We'll call it a wrap on this video, but stay tuned for more. I'm Meagan Kusek, and thank you for watching.
This video is sponsored by Mark 7, shaping the future of all things car wash. Visit mark7.net for more information.